Good morning, students. I welcome you all to this online session. So, we have started your second chapter, acid, bases, and salts. So, we have already covered some of the topics in the physical offline classes, such as what are indicators, types of indicators, natural indicators, synthetic indicators, olfactory indicators. So indicators are nothing but it's with the help of indicators we can determine whether a solution is acidic or basic with the help of different colors in case of synthetic and natural indicators, and with the help of different smells in case of your olfactory indicators. Now what is olfactory? Olfactory means the sense of smelling. So there are different substances which gives different smells on acidic medium and different smells on basic medium. So yesterday we had started chemical properties of acids and chemical reactions of acids. So today I will discuss I would like to start from the chemical properties of acids. Those who were absent yesterday, this video will also benefit them. Okay, start chemical properties of acids. Okay, I think it's visible to you. Okay, so first chemical property is Arrhenius acid. So Arrhenius was a scientist. He gave some statement about the chemical properties of acids, how acid behaves mainly in the aqueous medium when dissolved in water, how the acid behaves. So according to his statement, the substances which releases H plus ions in an aqueous medium are called acids. So he gave the statement that those substances when dissolved in water, if they produce H plus ions, then those substances are known as what? Acids. Okay, I will give these notes over WhatsApp group, don't worry. I have already given yesterday, you can collect it also from students. So according to this definition, so we have some acids like hydrochloric acid, HCl. If it is dissolved in water, it will dissociate into H plus aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous. Same as H2SO4 sulfuric acid, if we dissociate it in water, it will give 2H plus aqueous plus SO4 2 minus. Now sulfate always remains in the form of 2 minus ions, and this minus 2 charge is in the oxygen atom. So we'll see now by Lewis dot electron structure how this species or how this acids dissociates in water. So first we will look for HCl. Hydrogen electronic configuration 1 only, it has 1 electron. A chlorine 17, so 2.8.7. Now if we draw the Lewis electron structure, chlorine needs 1 electron in its outermost shell to satisfy its octet state or inert state. Now hydrogen also needs 1 electron to gain go from state 1 to 2 electrons, and it will also try to stabilize itself. So in this process, hydrogen, it has 1 electron and chlorine also needs 1 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this forms a bond here. So when this HCl is dissociates in water, an acid behaves like an acid only in the presence of water. Without water, the acid cannot show their properties, because to show their properties, the acids must be dissociated into their ionic forms, the cations and the anions. The cation is the H plus ions only, and the anions may be, in case of mineral acids, the minerals, and in case of organic acid, the carbon and hydrogen containing compounds. So this bond will break here, okay, when it is dissolved in water, and H plus, it will dissociate into H plus plus Cl minus. Hydrogen had only 1 electron, and by sharing 1 electron with the chlorine, it tried to satisfy its octet state. Now when it's dissociate in water, chlorine will take away the only 1 electron of the hydrogen also along with it, and hydrogen thus has no electron now, so hydrogen will form H plus ion, and since 1 electron is moving to the chlorine atom, it will gain 1 negative charge. 1 electron means 1 electron gaining 1 negative charge. See, next we have H2SO4. If you dissociate in water, I have already given H2SO4. Now see the structure of H2SO4. Sulfur, oxygen, 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 oxygen. Double bond, and hydrogen is here with the single bond. Okay. You can put the other electrons also. Oxygen has 6 electrons in its outermost shell. So 1, 2 are already there. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Oxygen has 6 electrons, 8 electrons, and it has gained its stability in the octet form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sulfur also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hydrogen. Now, when you dissociate this species in water H2SO4, then the bonding will break here, and one here again, because oxygen here is more reactive than hydrogen. So हाइड्रोजन तो बेचारा एकदम गरीब एलिमेंट है, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड. उसके पास एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन है, एंड इन वाटर ये इलेक्ट्रॉन भी ऑक्सीजन हाइड्रोजन से चुरा लेगा. इट विल स्टील. नाउ हाइड्रोजन विल लूज 1 electron. This oxygen atom will gain 1 negative charge, and from this hydrogen atom, oxygen will get 1 electron here and 1 electron here. Now it will break to form 2H plus SO4 2 minus. 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे ऐड हो रहा है, तो 1 माइनस हेयर, एंड एक इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन एटम से यहाँ पे आ रहा है, सो 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन here. So there are total 2 electrons, and 2 electrons are lost from hydrogen atom, 1 here and 1 from here. So thus when the acids are dissolved in water, it dissociates to form hydrogen ion in the respective anion, cation and anion. So this much clear, I hope. Next we have chemical reactions of acids. So I hope Arrhenius acid is clear to all of you. Next, let's move on to our next topic. Chemical reactions of acids. Chemical reactions of acids. Of the chemical reaction, the first one is acids react with metals to form hydrogen gas. So, first one, I will write only the reaction form, metal plus acid it gives salt plus hydrogen gas. As an example, suppose zinc metal, okay, zinc will be in the solid form plus, let us react with H2SO4 sulfuric acid. H2SO4, it's in the aqueous form. It will react to form, see here, in the reactivity series we have got zinc is above hydrogen in the reactivity series. I have already taught you this in chemical reaction chapter 1. So those substances which are above hydrogen in the reactivity series displaces hydrogen from, so it's aqueous solution. See, zinc is more reactive than hydrogen, so zinc will displace hydrogen, okay, and it will form ZnSO4 plus H2. This hydrogen will evolve in the form of gas. We have one experiment also to test this presence of hydrogen gas when zinc is dissolved in sulfuric acid. So this is metal, this is acid, this is salt, zinc sulfate, and this is hydrogen gas. Now, atomic number of zinc 30, no? Configuration will be 2, 8, 18, now 10, 28, 2. So it has to lose 2 electrons to obtain the inert gas or stable configuration. Here, what happens? Zn and zinc and sulfate like this. So sulfate always has 2- charge. So in order to be a neutral salt where the charges of the cation and anion are balanced, zinc also has to be in the form of 2 positive. Okay, and zinc has 2 electrons. It will donate the 2 electrons to oxygen atom, just as we have seen in case of sulfuric acid. Okay, so this is in the balanced form or ionic balanced form. Ions, cations and anions are in the balanced form here. So another example we can see 2-3 examples. Let me write here for you. This I have given in the class. Sodium plus H2SO4. Now in the reactivity series you can easily watch that sodium is above hydrogen in the reactivity series, so it will displace hydrogen from sulfuric acid, and what will form, sodium sulfate salt will be formed, Na2SO4 plus hydrogen gas. Now Na2SO4, okay, so here sulfate is always in the state of 2 minus. So sodium, in order to maintain the ionic balance or electrical balance or the charges balance, the sodium also needs to have 2 plus charge, तभी तो बैलेंस होगा, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बैलेंस नहीं, ये चार्जेस बैलेंस होगा, इट विल बी इन न्यूट्रल स्पेसिस, ओके. सो और एक सोडियम एटम कहां से आएगा, क्योंकि वी हैव टेकन ओनली वन सोडियम एटम इन द टाइम ऑफ रिएक्शन, बट ऐसा तो नहीं है कि जो सोडियम सॉलिड हमने लिया है मेटल, एक ही एटम लिया है, ऐसा तो नहीं, और भी सोडियम एटम्स है. सो another sodium atom will come and 2Na plus will be come here. So next you can balance this reaction, 2Na, Na2, H2SO4, hydrogen 2 and sulfate. It's now balanced. And this salt is sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate. So you have seen these two reactions. Now let us take another example. 3 silver solid plus H2SO4. If you see in the reactivity series, silver is below hydrogen in the reactivity series. So silver is less reactive than hydrogen. Silver cannot displace hydrogen from the acid solution. Okay, H2SO4. So here no reaction. Okay, so यहाँ पे कोई reaction नहीं होगा अभी. So generally you have seen the acids are kept in what? They are never kept in metal containers. They are kept in glass vessels or ceramic containers. So if we keep the acids in metal containers, then what will happen? The container will be destroyed and the acid also will be destroyed. क्या होगा? एसिड का तो जो सॉल्ट बन जाएगा ना, तो एसिड तो रहेगा ही नहीं ये. If you keep H2SO4 in zinc or in zinc vessel or any other metal whose reactivity is more than hydrogen, then that element will displace hydrogen from H2SO4, from the any acid, H2SO4 or HCl also you can take, any acid. It will form what? Salt. तो जिंक वेसल भी खराब हो जाएगा और एसिड भी नहीं रहेगा. ओके, okay, next step. So this hydrogen gas is evolving in the form of, hydrogen is evolving in this reaction in the form of gas. So we have one test. It's important for your exam to show the presence of hydrogen gas. There is one test जो मेटल एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करके सॉल्ट एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस बना रहा है. वो कैसे बना रहा है, मैं कैसे मान लूं? कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट तो होना चाहिए फॉर टेस्ट. ओके, नेक्स्ट विल स्टडी टेस्ट फॉर H2 gas. Now let us come to the slide here. this one. Yeah, so let me zoom there. It's visible, yeah. Yeah, fine. So this is an experimental setup. See, this is tripod stand. Here in the test tube, this is test tube, this is tripod stand, this is delivery tube, this is rubber cork. Okay. So first we have taken some zinc granules here. Zinc granules means some solid particles of zinc here, some solid metal of zinc. Then we have put hydrochloric acid here, dilute sulfuric acid here, and reaction will occur to form what? Zinc sulfate, zinc plus H2SO4, zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Now, to test the presence of this gas, we have to perform a simple experiment. Okay, we have connected one delivery tube to the test tube with the help of a rubber cork here. So hydrogen gas that is formed or evolved in the reaction will pass through this delivery tube, and here we have made another setup. It's soap solution. Okay, solution of soap in water. Now you have played in your childhood जो बबल्स जो बनाया था ना, जो सोप लिया था, जो हवा मारते थे, फूक मारते थे, बबल्स निकलता था. अभी भी वो शॉप में मिलता है, वो रेडीमेड मिलता है. तो वैसा कुछ सेटअप यहाँ पे, एक्सपेरिमेंटल सेटअप यहाँ पे है. ये जो डिलीवरी ट्यूब है, इससे हाइड्रोजन गैस जो आएगा, इट्स डिसॉल्व्ड, इट्स पुट इनसाइड द सोप सॉल्यूशन. अभी जब गैस निकलेगा, it will form what? Hydrogen bubbles. Bubbles will blow up because गैस का एक प्रेशर रहेगा. With that pressure bubbles will blow up. और बबल्स के अंदर क्या होगा? हाइड्रोजन गैस. हम जब जो जनरली जो बबल्स हम मुंह से फुलाते हैं तो उसके अंदर एयर होता है. ओके, तो यहाँ पे जो बबल्स किससे बन रहा है? इट्स मेड अप ऑफ हाइड्रोजन गैस ओनली. नाउ bubbles will blow up. If you hold a candle near the bubbles, then the bubbles will burst or burn with a popping sound. Like this one sound will come. That sound is called the popping sound, and with the help of that sound you can say that this is the hydrogen gas, because no other gas burns with a popping sound. Popping sound means like this one sound will be produced in this reaction. So I hope you have understood the test for this. Now let's get back to the blackboard. Carbonates. Reaction with metal carbonates. So first, metal carbonate, general form of the reaction will be metal carbonates plus acid. It will give salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Let us see an example. Carbonates are what? CO3 carbonate, और उसके साथ भी कोई मेटल लगा दो तो मेटल कार्बोनेट हो जाएगा. सोडियम हो सकता है, कैल्शियम हो सकता है. ओके, सो we'll study one. When dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium carbonate, then sodium chloride and carbon dioxide and water are formed. So sodium carbonate, first take Na2CO3 is in the solid form plus H2SO4 or HCl. Yeah, we have taken HCl here plus HCl is in aqueous form, it's in the dilute form. Okay. Next, yeah, it will now form what? Salt. Sodium and chlorine. Always it will form sodium chloride only. NaCl, NaCl plus what are the other compounds? It will be formed carbon dioxide, CO2 plus water, H2O. This is salt. Okay, and CO2 also here will be evolved as gas. We have test for the CO2 also. Okay, and how this reaction proceeds, let us look briefly. So it will dissociate into 2 Na plus and CO3 2 minus. Okay, HCl will dissociate into H plus Cl minus. Now, what are the different plus minus species? Na plus and Cl minus. So they will form together the salt. Okay. Next, we have here, what are the other things left? CO3 2 minus and H plus. Now we have to form carbon dioxide and water. अभी देखो, यहां से CO2 अगर निकला तो यहाँ पे क्या रह जाएगा? बाकी क्या रह जाएगा? 1 oxygen is left with 2 negative charges. ओके, यहाँ पे एक HCl है with H plus charge. तो अभी एसिड में, इन द एसिड देयर इज नॉट ओनली वन मॉलिक्यूल, एक ही मॉलिक्यूल नहीं है HCl का, देयर आर वेरियस अदर्स मॉलिक्यूल. सो HCl तो बेचारा गरीब है, उसका इलेक्ट्रॉन लूट के ले गया है क्लोरीन, तो उसको भी अभी इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए. ऐसा भी और भी H प्लस एटम्स और भी रहेगा. नाउ ऑक्सीजन पे देखो, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक्स्ट्रा है. ठीक है, सो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ले लेगा, एक H प्लस, और ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ले लेगा, ये H प्लस, और इट विल फॉर्म व्हाट? H2O. यही तो स्ट्रक्चर है, 1 2 3 4. क्लियर? Formation clear concept. Okay, now next you see next what we have, this reaction can also be showed with the help of calcium carbonate also. So calcium carbonate से वो कैल्शियम क्लोराइड बनाएगा. ठीक है, और एक एग्जांपल्स देखो, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट CaCO3 plus acid what we have taken HCl. Similarly, it will dissociate into calcium 2 plus CO3 2 minus. Okay, HCl will dissociate into H plus Cl minus. Now Ca and what will form? Cl2. How? We have to know this. See, okay, in order to understand this, in class 9 you have got these structures, no? This valency concept, क्लोरीन और कैल्शियम और क्लोरीन। कैल्शियम पे कैल्शियम का आउटर मोस्ट शेल में कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन है, वैलेंसी 2 है, और क्लोरीन का कितना है, 1 है, और ये ऐसा क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई क्रॉस हो जाता है ना, तो क्या होगा, CaCl2। ओके, लाइक दिस ऑल्सो यू कैन सी। एल्स व्हाट वी हैव प्रीवियसली, CO2 रहेगा प्लस H2O वाटर रहेगा, एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड विल बी इवॉल्व्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ gas. Okay, now this reaction okay, so this was reaction with metal carbonates. So there is one another metal hydrogen carbonate or metal bicarbonate, NaHCO3. So same reaction products will be the same. The reactant will be a bit different. Metal carbonate, here will be metal hydrogen carbonate. Okay, see here metal hydrogen carbonate. Metal hydrogen carbonate plus acid plus salt. Let us take one example. Sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3 plus HCl. It will form what? NaCl plus carbon dioxide. It will evolve in the form of gas plus water, H2O. Okay. Thus acid reacts with metal carbonates, okay, to evolve carbon dioxide gas. Now carbon dioxide gas is evolving in this reaction. अभी इसका एक टेस्ट भी करना है, मतलब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. दिस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस ये जो बन रहा है, इसका एक टेस्ट भी करना है हमें, टेस्ट फॉर CO2 गैस. Test for CO2 gas. Now, if we pass this CO2 gas, carbon dioxide, through slag lime, okay, or lime water, through lime water, calcium hydroxide, then a white precipitate of calcium carbonate will be formed. Okay, precipitate बन गया calcium carbonate का. If we continue passing the CO2 gas through that सॉल्यूशन, वो प्रेसिपिटेट वापस से क्लियर सॉल्यूशन बन जाएगा. द प्रेसिपिटेट विल डिसअपियर एंड इट विल फॉर्म सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट. लेट अस सी द रिएक्शंस फर्स्ट. ओके, टेस्ट फॉर CO2 गैस. तो फर्स्ट वी नीड टू पास द CO2 गैस थ्रू कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, CaOH whole to calcium hydroxide, sorry, lime water, calcium hydroxide plus we need to pass it through. अभी इससे CO2 गैस पास करना है. ये क्या फॉर्म पर, क्या फॉर्म, व्हाट इट विल फॉर्म, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, CaCO3, and this will form precipitate plus water. Okay, ये व्हाइट PPT फॉर्म करेगा, व्हाइट प्रेसिपिटेट कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. नाउ अभी प्रोडक्ट ये फॉर्म हुआ. अभी नाउ इफ वी कंटिन्यू पासिंग द CO2 गैस, देन दिस प्रोडक्ट will again react with CO2 and it will form calcium hydrogen carbonate. See, calcium carbonate plus calcium carbonate plus H2O दिस वी गॉट इन आवर प्रीवियस, ये जो प्रोडक्ट बना था, यह भी रिएक्टेंट की तरह काम करेगा अगर इफ वी पास एक्सेस CO2 प्लस CO2 in excess amount, then what will happen? Calcium hydrogen carbonate will be formed, CaHCO3 CaHCO3 whole 2 aqueous. ये white precipitate था, this will be clear solution soluble in water, soluble in water, clear solution. Okay, so first if we pass carbon dioxide gas to calcium hydroxide, then white precipitate of calcium carbonate will be formed. So if we pass excess carbon dioxide, then the white precipitate, ये जो again reaction होगा CO2 के साथ, it will form what? Calcium hydrogen carbonate, and calcium hydrogen carbonate will be soluble in water. Okay, so see, ये diagram book में है, to see which is the first step. Yeah, this is the first step. Okay, if we pass CO2, then gradually you see the solution turns milky white due to the formation of calcium carbonate as precipitate. But if we continue passing the carbon dioxide gas, then the solution becomes clear. Clear क्यों होता है? Because calcium hydrogen carbonate is formed and calcium hydrogen carbonate is soluble in water. Okay, अगर कुछ वाटर में soluble हुआ तो वो clear solution ही होगा. Okay, this much clear, I think. Next, let us move on to the next reaction. So class थोड़ा लंबा चल सकता है. Don't get bored because it's chemistry. यहाँ पे कुछ भयानक सा, हाँ अभी अच्छा लग रहा है. चलो, next what we have, सॉल्ट एंड वाटर को देखेंगे, लेकिन उसके पहले और एक रिएक्शन था, एसिड रिएक्ट विथ मेटल ऑक्साइड टू फॉर्म सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. ओके, इससे पहले यही देखते हैं सॉल्ट एंड वाटर वाला, नहीं तो वो नहीं समझोगे नहीं. ओके, ये रिएक्शन नंबर 3 होगा. ओके, एसिड्स रिएक्ट विथ वेयर इज द reaction with, okay, reaction of acids with base. Three number, acid base reaction. Okay, so acids react with base. Acid reacts with base to form salt and water. Acid जब base के साथ react करेगा, it will form salt and water. Now, let us take an example. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बातें discuss करना है. And okay, let us take one acid first, HCl. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड एक्वस प्लस बेस. अभी बेस पार्ट में हम आए नहीं है, बट दोज सब्सटेंसेस व्हिच कंटेन OH माइनस एज द नेगेटिव आयन, दोज आर द बेसिस. जस्ट अ जनरल डेफिनेशन, ब्रीफ डिटेल्स में हम बाद में देखेंगे. बेस NaOH, it's also in the form of aqueous. Now, just as acids in their aqueous medium, it dissociates to form H plus and Cl minus ions. Similarly, sodium hydroxide also dissociates to form Na plus and OH minus ion. जैसे H plus आयन एसिड्स का खासियत है, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है, वैसे ही OH minus ions it's characteristic of base, chemical characteristics of base. Okay, so here यहाँ पे dissociation products क्या होगा, H plus Cl minus, यहाँ पे होगा Na plus OH minus. Products क्या होगा, can you say? प्लस माइनस, यहाँ पे प्लस स्पेसिस कौन सा है, H प्लस, माइनस कौन सा है, OH. ठीक है, ये हम बाद में लिखेंगे. ये वाटर हो जाएगा, H प्लस OH माइनस, इट विल फॉर्म वाटर. नाउ वी रिक्वायर सॉल्ट. यहाँ पे क्या क्या है, Na प्लस एंड Cl माइनस, NaCl. So this is sodium chloride and this is salt, this is water. Now this reaction is called neutralization reaction. Neutralization क्यों है? Because एसिड का जो इफेक्ट है that will be neutralized by base. बेस का जो इफेक्ट है that will be neutralized by acids. This is why it's neutralization reaction. एसिड का जो इफेक्ट है वो बेस खत्म करेगा, बेस का जो इफेक्ट है वो एसिड खत्म करेगा या न्यूट्रलाइज करेगा. So you have seen जब when bees bites you, जब वो काटता है, स्टिंग जो करता है, बी के स्टिंग में क्या होता है, फॉर्मिक एसिड होता है एंड दैट इज एन एसिड. एंड वहां पे हम क्या रब करते हैं आफ्टर द बी बाइट्स, वी रब देयर कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और लाइम, स्लाइट लाइम. सो द थोड़ा देर बाद क्या होता है, जो एसिड का जो इफेक्ट है वो न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाता है. सिमिलरली एंटासिड्स जो हमारा इन आवर स्टमक व्हेन hydrochloric acid is digestive acid, it helps in digestion, you know. When HCl is secreted in excess amounts, तब क्या होता है, acidity होता है. What we take, antacids, milk of magnesia, magnesium hydroxide, that is also base. Anything, इनो लेते हैं, बेकिंग सोडा भी ले सकता है. Okay, so overall to say, acids react with base to form salt and water, and it's neutral. Salt is neutral क्योंकि ना ये एसिड है ना ये बेस है, और इसका सॉल्ट का pH +7 है. ओके, अभी pH की व्हाट इज pH वी विल स्टडी इन आवर अपकमिंग क्लासेस. सो दिस मच क्लियर. Clear reaction between acid and base. Now we have the last reaction and we will complete today itself because this chapter is very fast and I want to complete as far as I can and as fast as I can go. Next we have 4 number reaction. 4 number reaction, what we have, acids react with metal oxide to form salt and water. So general formulate, metal oxide plus acid it gives salt plus water. Example, calcium oxide what do you have? Copper oxide. Sorry. CuO solid plus acid we have HCl. कॉपर क्लोराइड फॉर्म होगा CuCl2 plus H2O. To be formed in this way. Here copper is in +2 oxidation state, so it will dissociate like this: Cu2 plus O2 minus H plus Cl minus. Now see what are the positive and negative spaces. Okay, H plus and here O2 minus, and here Cu2 plus Cl minus. We form Cu then Cl minus. What is the charge on Cu or valency state? 2 plus, here 2, just write 2, and chlorine 1. Now क्रॉस करने से क्या होगा? We can write it here CuCl2. Okay, and here there is one H plus atom. तो ऐसा और भी तो there is not only one HCl molecule, there are other molecules also. यहाँ पे एक H plus atom है और एक another H plus atom will come from another HCl molecule, dissociate होके आएगा. So now we have two H plus atoms here and O2 minus is left. यहाँ पे 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है और H plus इसको भी एक इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए, इसको भी एक इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए. तो H plus ऑक्सीजन, H plus ऑक्सीजन का तो वैसे कितना है? 1 2 3 4 5 6. लेकिन अभी ऑक्सीजन के पास it has 2 extra electrons, so it will donate that extra electron to hydrogen and it will form bond with the hydrogen, or water is forming here. Okay, now you see एसिड के साथ क्या रिएक्ट करने से सॉल्ट प्लस वाटर बनते हैं? एसिड प्लस बेस, एसिड बेस रिएक्शन मैंने पहले समझाया. एसिड प्लस बेस इक्वल टू salt gives salt and water. So here we have acid here and metal oxide. So metal oxide is reacting with acid to form salt and water. So metal oxide यहाँ पे definitely एक बेस की तरह काम कर रहा है. नहीं तो salt and water तो नहीं बनता, क्योंकि salt and water तभी बनता है जब एसिड और बेस आपस में रिएक्ट करते हैं. ओके, सो मेटल ऑक्साइड is basic in nature here. Okay, now we have something to discuss. Okay, it is also a form of neutralization reaction, क्योंकि salt and water बन रहा है. एसिड बेस रिएक्शन में सॉल्ट एंड वाटर जब बनता है तब भी वो न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन कहलाता है. मिल्क एंड मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, MgOH2 प्लस HCl, ये क्या फॉर्म करेगा? MgCl2 प्लस H2O। एंटासिड जब एसिड होते हैं गैस्ट्रिक होते हैं तब खाते हैं ना। एसिड क्या है? इज प्रेजेंट इन आवर स्टमक ओनली। ओके, सो एसिड्स reacts this is base to form salt and water. So we can conclude here that the reaction between metal oxide and acids is also a neutralization reaction. Okay, so what more we have now? The reactions of acids and bases are complete here. What do all acids have in common? An acid is a substance which dissociates on dissolving in water to produce hydrogen ions. तो I have already explained you सभी एसिड्स के कॉमन क्या है? H प्लस आयन। आप कुछ भी एसिड्स ले लो, HCl, H2SO4, कार्बनी phosphoric acid, okay, nitric acid. So all these things dissociate in aqueous medium to form H plus ions. Thus we can say all acids have H plus ion in common in them. Similarly, base में क्या होगा? All bases dissociates in water to give OH minus ions. So bases will have all bases will have OH minus ions in common. So we have completed all the chemical reactions of the acids and bases. Next day, a few things are left. Applications of acids, strong acids and weak acids, which are strong acids, which are weak acids, and acid rain, most importantly. So this will be discussed in your next class. So students, hope this session was helpful to you. Please go through it, because it takes a lot of hard work on the part of the teacher to demonstrate it and upload it. Okay, so your time to the video or video session will make my hard work worthy. ठीक है? So everyone continue your studies, stay home, stay safe.